Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you on this wet saw is down in this channel. Alright, there's a sight. Alright, and the sight is this black flat spot right here. Okay, and it runs all the way through this channel. That's your sight. So here on the edge of my tile, you look straight down and you can see how it falls to the outer corner of the tile down. Alright, so we know we're right where we need to be there. Now, come across, I've got this shim so it don't move. Alright, then here at the blade, I've got it touching. Alright, and I've got right there the blade at the pencil mark. Okay. And now we're going to cut. There we go, right on the outer edge of our piece. Alright? There you have it. Next we will be telling you how we're going to lay out this floor, and we'll be using the leveling system.